Hello people, I am Michael James Ambrosio of BSECE 3A and this is ECE 36 performance number 2. So today I will going to discuss the differences and similarities of the original Arduino Uno R3 made from Italy to the Arduino Uno R3 that I have. So here in my left side is the Arduino, is the clone Arduino Uno R3 which I bought through Shopee from Maker Lab Electronic Shop. So of course we don't have an original Arduino Uno R3 made in Italy. So I'm using an image that came from Google. So first, the microcontroller. In original, it is a dual inline package at Mega 328 microcontroller. While in the clone, it is also an at Mega 328 dual inline package microcontroller. In microcontroller, program can be easily loaded onto it. Next is the USB controller. So in original, it has CH340G USB microcontroller, while on the clone, USB controller is also CH340G. Next, number of terminals. So in original, it has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 pulse width modulation digital input-output pins, and 6 analog input pins. So the clone also have the same number of terminals as the original. Next is the flash memory. In original, the flash memory is 32 kilobytes, of which the 0.5 kilobytes used by bootloader. In flash memory, it is where the Arduino sketch is being stored. In my Arduino, the flash memory is also 32 kilobytes with 0.5 used for bootloader. Next is the SRAM and the EPROM. So the static random access memory in original has 2 kilobytes, and in the clone it also has 2 kilobytes. Next is the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, which in original has 1 kilobytes, and in the clone it has also 1 kilobytes. The clock speed. So in original Arduino, the clock speed is 16 megahertz, and in clone, the clock speed is 16 megahertz also. So next, other components of the boards. So both the clone and the original Arduino Uno R3 has C4 and C6 100 nanofarad capacitors. So these capacitors are added to the board to filter supply noise. Also, the reset button is pulled up with a 10K resistor to help prevent spurious resets in noisy environment. Next is the PCB. Looking to its layout and design, we can clearly see that the two has a minor differences. The Orig has a blue color board while the original has a teal color. Also, the genuine Arduino silk screens tend to be very good compared to the clone. We can also see that the board traces and the way the components are soldered in clone are not as clean as the original Arduino Uno board. But overall, despite of differences, clone Arduino can functions the same as the genuine, except of course to the complicated projects. Also, this is a budget friendly, and the clone is good as a tester if you don't want your genuine Arduino to be damaged first. So thank you. That's all for the performance number 2.